The resource website that I used is called knowledgeadventure.com. I think it's really helpful because it doesn't matter what grade you're teaching, there's something for all levels. So I plan on teaching second grade. So we'll go to that. And then we'll choose our topic. So I'll choose math. Then if we go to second grade, it shows the specific standards that need to be met. So we could choose symmetry. Does this picture have symmetry? So the kids would look at it, compare the sides, and decide, no, that does not have symmetry. So it gives them a little bit of feedback and encourages them. They'll keep going. Does this picture have symmetry? Split it down the middle, yes. So we could keep going. It's telling us our score over here and timing us as well. We could go back and choose a different section. I'm an even two-digit number. I have a 2 in the tens place, and I'm greater than 26. So there's many activities. We could change to language arts and go to second grade. And it shows all of the different standards for language arts as well. My brother and I made a big pile of leaves, then we jumped into the pile. It fills the word in for them. It's very interactive for the kids. And again, gives them feedback so they can see that they're doing good in learning. I eat pizza whenever I can. This week I had it 3 times. They can get an understanding for the topics and feel like they're having fun at the same time. So now that we kind of have an idea of the site, we will go to our 4E's checklist. Okay. So the only times you use technology is if it increases the opportunities that the kids are getting for teaching learning. Okay. So I believe that this resource touched on effectiveness because it told you the specific standards right when we got onto the site. Under second grade, it said the exact topics, and the teacher could assign a topic or the kids could jump around, but it did say the specific standards. So it did touch on effectiveness. And the tool could definitely be used with a variety of learners or ability levels. It didn't really matter the grade, but since we decided to choose second grade, it was geared toward those kids so that they were able to do the work for their level. If a student was very behind in a certain topic, the teacher could even tell them to review by touching on their prior knowledge and go back a grade just to refresh their skills before they moved on to a new topic. Then I also believe that efficiency is one of the E's, because it saves time. Students are going through quizzes to learn certain topics. I would use this as a time filler so that kids aren't wasting their time. They're still learning as other kids are finishing different activities and projects. Also engagement, because using the tool, the kids are more interested in the topic rather than a teacher standing at the board and the kids cannot keep their attention on that. They are able to interact with the activity on the computer and really get an understanding for the material. Enhancement, it's not so much a real world connection, so I wouldn't say it falls into that category, but the effectiveness, efficiency, and engagement all apply to this resource. So I think it's really helpful in the classroom.